Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So, as you saw from the title, I'm doing some good old hot and spicy spam little tacos. I guess you can call them breakfast tacos or lunch tacos. You could have them whenever. I'm having them at breakfast, but I'd eat them whenever. But yeah, I've been wanting to do these for a little while, and they're really good with the good hot and spicy spam. So I'll just run through what all I did, and I'll be fixing and chat and chew while I go over what I did. So first of all, took my spam, took it out of the can, as you'll see, because I'll be running some clips. Took it out, and a little tip for easy getting it out: squeeze the can like that. Some dripped out. Whoops. Squeeze the can like that, and it kind of takes off the suction of it, and it'll help to come on out. And then I always wash off my spam good with water, because it kind of helps to knock down some of the sodium that's within it, because it can get kind of salty. And if you watch my comparison video with the spam and then the Clover Valley cheap spam, I like the cheap better than I did the real name brand, but I wanted the hot and spicy for this to add a little bit more oomph and flavor to it. So yeah, I took it out of the can, washed it, dried it off with some paper towels, and then started cutting it up just lengthways, and then chopped it in little cubes. And then once I got it cubed up, I could start getting it cooking in my skillet, and it don't take too terribly long. You just kind of get it browned off until they get kind of a little crisp, but still kind of soft as well. And then once they're cooking and going, you can start on your veggies. And what I did with them, I just cut them lengthways in just little rings, the peppers, and then the onions I just kind of dice them up, and I guess about a medium to fine dice. And then once I had them done, I just set them to the side while my meat kind of finished on up. And then once my meat was done, I took it, poured it on a paper plate with a little paper towel to soak up some of the grease, but I left most of it I could in the pan, because I wanted that flavor to be cooked within my vegetables. And then I started my veggies, got them cooked off. Nice little chunk of egg right there. Yeah, got my veggies, cooked them off, and once I got them kind of way I wanted them to look good and kind of soft, and some of them had just a touch of char on it, which that's fine. That's what I was kind of looking for anyway. Got them done, put them on a plate, and then I was able to start on my eggs. My eggs were just 4 eggs, about a tablespoon of whole milk, a little salt and pepper, and then a tablespoon of butter. Then I threw that in my skillet as well. I kept everything in the same pan so I could kind of keep all my flavors happy and together. And I kind of slow cooked them in my skillet, kind of keeping them good and stirred the whole time. And once they were done, boom, there I had it. Just threw it all back in my skillet, mixed it up together, and now we got a little spam taco. Cute little thing. But we'll dig into this. That spam's just got a little spice to it, I think. Let's see. Red pepper, so probably a cayenne top pepper to it. And just that good salty pork taste to it. Got the good texture to it with a little crispiness and then it's soft too. And the eggs are good and soft and fluffy, kind of creamy too, because like I said, I do my eggs slower, and that helps to get them creamier. And then it's hard to go wrong with cooked peppers and onions with butter that's been cooked in Spam grease. So those are good. Really good. Put a little tickle of that spice back there. Felt good. Good. It's not hot at all. It's just, you eat it and you're like, that's got some little spice to it. There we go. Don't I hate that? You get a bite and it goes to run away from you. You're like, you're going in there. That's good. And don't you love the little street tacos? They're so little, but they're perfect for something like this. Good breakfast. One more to go. And if, say you don't like spice a little bit more, you could just use the regular ham. Well, there's probably ham in it. Spam. You could use the regular spam and still get really good results. It'll still be good. I should have got some green onions for it to give it a little bit more, I guess, prettier look, but it tastes pretty, so that's good enough. That's what I'll be eating on the rest of my day. Good. Definitely make this one. And you could throw some green bell pepper in there too to add a little bit more color and flavor, or if you wanted a little bit more heat, you could have a jalapeno in it. Or more heat, whatever you want. Do a Carolina Reaper or Ghost or habanero. You know, you could put the habanero in there, it being orange, and take up for the sweet orange pepper. Good. Good old Fago twist. That was good, folks. Pretty good. That's what I'll be chowing on for the rest of my day. Just good old Spam little tacos. So again, I just cut up my Spam after I washed it off, dried it, cut it up in little cubes, threw it in my pan, cooked it off till it's got a little texture to it, got a little crisp. Poured it off on a paper towel, let it sit, and then I had my veggies that I had cut up, peppers in little rings, and the onions. Then I bought a medium to fine dice, put that in my pan with about a tablespoon of butter, cooked it off till I got them softened. Touch of char to them too, because I like that flavor coming through, especially with peppers and onions. And when that was done, took them out, let my pan kind of cool down a little bit because I didn't want my eggs going into that hot of a pan. Then once it kind of cooled down, butter in, eggs, salt, pepper, a little bit of milk, about a tablespoon, tablespoon of butter. Slow cooked my eggs and kind of kept them stirred the whole time. And then once they were done, put everything back in the pan. So it's just easy putting in your taco, and boom, there you go. Eat it and enjoy it. And the little street tacos, good. So I thank y'all so much for watching and sticking with me through this easy one, but a tasty one. Like I said, you can switch it up with regular Spam too if you didn't want the hot and spicy, or if you wanted it spicier, hey, you can make it spicier. Thank y'all again for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already. And hey, when you do, hey, you're part of that good old head to tail family, and we'll love you and welcome you on in. So thank y'all again. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Can I do it? Got it. One bite.